Today I'm going to give this carburettor another go. I think it's going to work this time.
Before I took this out of the milling machine, I ran a chamfer cutter around the top there which tidied it up a little bit. I've got the O-ring out of the hole and blasted it with carb cleaner, and that jet hole runs all the way through to the small hole underneath here which I can blast air through. The actual new mixture screw set up with the spring and a small washer and an O-ring. That's a second-hand O-ring. I don't have a new one. It'll come in the next carby kit. I've put a bit of anti-seize on the thread on this. It drops in there nicely. Screws in like it should. Right down till it touches lightly on the tapered hole in the bottom. Should you wind it in gently and it's touched there, I now back it out 2 turns for the quad runner.
I've just restarted the engine without that mixture valve jet set properly. I've also got the vacuum lines connected together, so that could have been a major influence on how it was running last time. I still got a dodgy needle and seat, but that's running on choke at the moment. Probably still warming up. It's interesting, that's the idle speed that it just defaulted to. I had the idle adjuster here just touching the butterfly, but barely. The big thing that's happening at the moment, or it's not happening, is it's not smoking. So Abigail's given up on a bad habit. That's running pretty smooth, pretty quietly. I can now go on and do things like test what sort of stator voltage and things we're getting. Yeah, it's just running its bowl full of fuel at the moment. That when I started it a moment ago, that filter wasn't even. It's in fact it's going to cut out at the moment because it's a lack of fuel, which is fine. We might kill it before it does that. That's the charging voltage with it just idling. So the new voltage rig, which is down there, must be working, and everything. I'm a little concerned how high that's climbing. Doesn't normally climb that high. My other bikes, I don't think. I've shut it off and the voltage is dropping back. I'm wondering whether it is overcharging a little bit. It wasn't idling when it was coming off choke, and it's now warm enough, so I wound the idle stop in a couple of turns. Now it seems quite happy to idle with the choke right off. If I open that, it wants to accelerate when the choke's put back on because it'll be getting more juice. Anyway, that's the charging voltage happening there at the moment. Got to be pretty happy with that.
The engine's running nice enough for me to put it back into the frame now. Get out to your shed and have some fun.